I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying eligibility and gathering documents immediately. This saves days later. Once done, research each college's management quota rules, typical fee bands, and who handles admissions. Make a short list of 5 colleges, note contact names and application windows, and prepare a clear financial plan for deposits. You should also draft a concise personal statement and collect scanned documents in both PDF and physical copies. Because colleges will ask for originals during verification, be ready. You now execute applications and follow up aggressively. After submitting forms, call admissions to confirm receipt and expected timelines. Make sure to demand written fee quotes and a provisional seat offer when available. Once a college shows interest, negotiate deposit size and payment timeline, and insist on an official receipt and written refund policy. Make sure to keep copies of all communications. These form your leverage if terms change. If needed, use a trusted counselor to speed verification and explain nuances to the college. You finalize by paying the agreed deposit and immediately obtaining an official seat letter and receipt. Once payment is logged, attend in-person verification with originals. Make sure college staff signs and stamps your papers. After enrollment, confirm class registration, fee schedules, and orientation dates. If anything goes wrong, no seat letter or contradictory terms, raise the issue in writing, ask for a written explanation, and request a refund timeline. Troubleshooting tip: if a problem persists, escalate to the college registrar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.